Hey, what's up guys? Kat Ray here. So today we'll be talking about pre-emergence. I mean, what's a pre-emergent? A pre-emergent is a product you put onto soil that will prevent weeds. So stick around, I'll explain a little more. So basically a pre-emergent is a herbicide or a product that you apply to soil. You can put it on lawn, you can put it on any sort of, I put it on my gravel, and it creates a small barrier to prevent the weeds from sprouting so they can't take root. So kind of an example of this is dandelions. I have a love-hate relationship for dandelions because I remember when I was very young taking those dandelion leaves and blowing them and just seeing those seeds go all over now. That was a fun thing as a little kid, but now I see those dandelions grow, I see all those little seeds, and I just think of them germinating and those dandelions growing and spreading, and they're evil little things. They're really not that evil, I just don't like them. So you put on the pre-emergent, it creates that barrier, so when those dandelion seeds come down and they try to sprout and germinate, it prevents that. So yes, pre-emergents are wonderful things. So the very best time to be applying your pre-emergent is in the springtime, before those roots and seeds have the ability to germinate and take root and grow. You just put on the pre-emergent, springtime, prevent those weeds, you're good to go. Okay, I am all done with my grass. Did not take very long. That Scott's Elite spreader is pretty outstanding. Now I'm just gonna get it on my gravel because I want to prevent stuff from growing on my gravel. So let's get this done. Okay, well, I am all done with this project. That did not take me long. I will always be using pre-emergent. It's great stuff. Work hard, play hard. See you on the next project.